MORFEUS architecture was commissioned by Astri and Henrik Botten Taubøll in 2017 to design a new house on their heritage property at Sorbyhaugen 24, Oslo. The project involved the renovation, transformation, and extension of the original house from 1933, resulting in a contemporary architectural work with a strong connection to history and locality. Located in the Ullern district, the property is situated on a hillside overlooking the small river Makrelbekken, with beautiful views of the Oslo Fjord and surrounded by tall pine trees. The original house, built in 1933, belonged to the client's grandmother and reflects the early functionalist style typical of the area. As the house has no significant conservation value, typical functionalist elements such as details and use of color in the exterior and interior were reintroduced with a modern touch to create a new architectural expression. New windows and doors were installed, and additional insulation was applied to meet modern energy standards. The original floor plan, full of corridors and separate rooms, was completely transformed. The new floor plan features a large open-plan living area around a central core, including a kitchen, bathroom, and sink. Vertical openings from the ground floor create a better connection between the floors, giving a sense of space and openness, especially since the previous ceiling height was only 2.4 meters. With a prime location and beautiful views, the original home's small windows were replaced with floor-to-ceiling windows to maximize contact with the surrounding environment. The interior and exterior color schemes are inspired by the client's grandmother's period of functionalism and colors. The project also emphasizes sustainability, reusing the original floor joists, chimney, fireplace, and most of the exterior walls. The home is now ready for future generations, continuing its legacy for the next 90 years.